clench your hands like this. Everyone, please. Yes. Everyone, please. Okay.
Lord,
so now, how many of you have right thumb on the top? Raise your hands, please. How many of you have left thumb on the top?
Rest.
Okay.
Two thumbs.
Both are right. Both are right.
That's right.
Okay? There is nothing wrong about it. So I still remember it was December 14th, 2017.
Wow.
I came to this place, same hall, and I was sitting here with Shanky sitting. And Shanky was giving a education slot that particular day. I still remember. And frankly speaking, I'm telling you a fact, I never wanted to join BNI. I don't want to join BNI. Mr. Vijay Kanda invited me. He's a very good friend of mine. I cannot say no to him. I said, चलो यार देख के आएंगे कैसे भी breakfast है 500 रुपए सर देते कैसे मैं नहीं देने वाला हूँ खा के आएंगे breakfast मजा करके आएंगे देख के आएंगे how it happens. And I'm sure all of you came with that mindset before you joined this chapter. Yes or no?
Yes.
No. Few of you, no. But 90% like me, yes. Yeah, that's okay. So I sat in the seat with the intention that I don't want to join BNI. And after 2 hours, you know what? There's only one thought in my mind. I have to join BNI.
Wow.
I have to join BNI. You can clap for this, by the way.
You have to give the reason for that.
The reason is what I'm going to say now.
He will say.
And the money was large. Frankly speaking, I didn't join this chapter to earn revenue from it. I'm telling you a fact. I was earning good money and still I'm earning good money. I not joined for money. There are other parameters. So I went home and I asked myself, so why the hell you made this decision? What was the reason? Was it emotional or is there a reason behind it? So I want to decode that thing right now. So are you ready for this? Yes or no?
Yes.
Fantastic. So let's start. Let me give you an example. For example, there is a guest coming to your home. Let's assume that Shiva, there is a guest coming to your home. He is a very important person, but you don't know who is he. He is coming at sharp 8 o'clock in the morning. At what time? Sharp 8 o'clock in the morning. So do you get up at 7:45? You get up at 6 in the morning, you bath, you get ready, you clean the home, make it as beautiful as it can be. You have a smile on your face or you are sad? When you receive that person, you have a big smile on your face, yes or no?
Yes.
You have lots of energy, yes or no?
Yes.
And breakfast time, 8 o'clock. So you prepare breakfast and serve him, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So you carry yourself like that, with that attitude that I want to serve this person, yes or no?
Yes.
And same thing I observed here. The moment I came from that place, I still remember I was sitting there, the seats were not empty. And there are a couple of things which I want us to improve. So can I suggest them?
Yes.
Which made me, I don't want to join BNI, so I have to join BNI. Can I suggest you guys?
Yes.
And can we implement it together?
Yes.
Perfect. So when I came here, first thing I was confused, where should I sit? That time we didn't have this visitor thing.
Okay.
So do you think, first of all, before even visitor, do you think there should be people around you when you come?
Yes.
Ready to receive you?
Yes.
With lots of smile on their face?
Yes.
With lots of energy on their face? Yes?
Yes.
So when I came in that hall, I had people around me who received me quite well. And then without any confusion, if I would have this visitor's tag, I would have sat down here. But I didn't have one, so I had to sit here. And then the meeting started. The dynamic, charismatic man of this chapter, Mr. Shanky Shankar, was speaking to the loudest voice possible, and I loved it. I said, man, I'm a trainer, he's the trainer as well. I connected to him. And then he gave an educational thought. I dreamed of myself giving one, frankly speaking. And then I saw the way the meeting went ahead. I saw the way every single person gave the 30 seconds in a crisp and clear manner. Mr. Lenga was best of all, frankly speaking. It was really fantastic. And I loved the way the meeting went with the 30 seconds you guys gave. And then overall, comparatively, the main thing was the energy in the hall. You guys had a smile on the face, you were not sleepy, you had lots of energy, you were enjoying the meeting and it was visible. There are two things. Naam ke vaste aana, aane ke liye aana. Aane ke liye aana was visible on your face.
पाने के लिए आना.
Yeah? Calm is happen by default. It's about relationships. Do you agree with me?
Yes.
That was visible that you love this meeting. Yeah? So first thing was, receiving was really fantastic. Second thing was, You are clear where you want to sit. Third thing is the great energy the head table shows. Fourth thing is the 30-second choice rocket. And then comes passing the referrals. And you pass referrals. You know, the Firoza man was the topper. I still remember that day. Geeta was there, Firoza man was there. And they passed referrals from bottom of their heart. It's not, see, there are two things, doing for formality and doing because you want to do it. And it was visible on their face. And by the end of the meeting, before even they supposed to ask me, I asked them, how can I join? I want to join BNI. I have to join BNI. So do you think what made me to join this meeting, we should give the same experience to the person who joins as a guest? Yes? We need not ask him or beg him to join. All we want to do is show that we have that energy, that enthusiasm, that love for BNI. And Basil, I'm proud to be a member of the #1 chapter in the region. So again, which I started in the morning, so can you all again clench your fingers, please? Clench your fist, yeah. Okay, some of you may have right on the top. Some of you may have left on the top. Yes? Can you just exchange it like this? Now left on the top, right on the top. Just exchange, please. Just for a second, please do it like this. Initially it's uncomfortable, but you know, after some time, it becomes
So
comfortable.
we used to this because we used to do this when she loves me not. She loves me.
Yeah. So initially, I know you are a playboy, that's a different story. But yeah. Initially, it's uncomfortable. Initially, it's very uncomfortable for me. It was getting up at 6:30 in the morning and coming 8 o'clock was uncomfortable for me. Passing testimonials was uncomfortable for me. Giving 30 seconds was uncomfortable for me. So all these things were uncomfortable. You know what? With time, you will become comfortable. Yes?
Yes.
So can we give the best experience to the people who are joining this meeting? Can we do it?
Yes.
Perfect. So where there is will?
That's it.
Fantastic. Thank you so much for being the audience. Over to President.
Thank you, Saurabh Chharia. That was useful as well as interesting.